Hi everyone, I would like to introduce you to VSDropAssist, a new extension that was created by the Firefly community, which I think is very, very cool. So let's first of all talk about the problems that it solves and then how it solves it. Well, here is a new UI controller, and I would like to use the customers table that I can see over here. So normally when I write code, I will say public models.customers, customers equals new models.customers. If you've seen our previous video about snippets, I can just say, well, ffp tab, and then say here models.customers and write some less code. But sometimes I'm too lazy to type even that, and that's where we designed or asked the Firefly community to generate the VSDropAssist. So let me show you where it is. You go to search over the web and you'll find VSDropAssist in the Visual Studio gallery. Look for a Firefly community tag. That's the easiest way to find it. If you want to see its code is published in the GitHub repository, the open source GitHub repository. At this address, I will put both of those at the comments to the article. Let me show you how it's used. In my code, when I want to use a class, I can simply drag it from the Solution Explorer and put it in. And it will put its name and its namespace properly. Now I can drag it using Shift, and it will automatically put the entire syntax that I would like to have over here. Now this reacts differently to Shift to Alt in different cases and makes your life very, very easy. So I can then say from equals to customers. And then next thing I want to do, let's say that I want to select the column selectively, which in most cases I don't, but let's say that I do now. I need to do columns, add, and then choose customers dot and the columns that I want. Well, some people feel that this is tedious. So here's another way to do it. We can open the customers table here, and once I've installed the VSDropAssist, I can select several fields and just drop them over here, and Visual Studio will create a comma-separated list here, which I can then use in my code. Okay, now the order is the order in which they are defined in the customer class, and it makes my life easier. Now, since several cases are more common than others, we decided to adjust for them. So if I'll go and drag these columns using the Shift key, I will automatically get the columns add, and then I can edit the name of the table if I want to. Also, another common scenario is if I want to update several fields at the same time. So I can just go and drag them using Alt, and I'll get the set value indicator already ready for me to use. Okay, so we just took several of the common cases, drag with Shift, drag without Shift, drag with Alt, and gave them like this. Now these are shortcuts that helps you type less in Visual Studio. And you're interested about the code for them, it's open source, the code is over here at this URL, and you can post comments and questions and things around it and suggestions, and hopefully you will enjoy this. Cheers!